These are our lifetime 130-gallon extra large deck boxes. We've had these for about 7 years now, and we keep it on the side of our house outside. There's rain, there's sun, everything gets beat on these things. These are sturdy. You can sit on this thing. You can actually even stand on this thing right there. See, it's solid. And this is storage. It has a ton of space. So we use this one for all of our car washing, our oil changing product, our vacuum cleaner. Now, there's one thing that I wish I knew when I got these things is that although it has hardly any openings, it's not 100% bug proof. And then what I mean by that is if you look really closely right here, after years of usage, you see spiders made their way into the shed. And yeah, there's some spider webs down there and spider cobwebs right here, but it is what it is, right? For a shed that has been outside in the weather, back here in our tiny pathway back here, we don't access this a lot. There's bugs and spiders all over the place. Given that it's been here for like 7 years and there's hardly any bugs that crawl in here, I'm pretty impressed. So we have not one, not two, but 3 of them. So if I open up this one, you can see we have more parts in here. We have some car parts over there. We got some oil boxes, some tools, and tire inflators, and it just stores things. Over here, this one right here, this is what we use for seasonal storage. We have our Christmas tree in here. This is legit our Christmas tree, and we have some boxes and some other stuff, right? But as you can see, these boxes are solid, and they stand the test of time because these are lifetime sheds. They also have a lock if you want to. So when you close the shed like this, you can lock it. And I like that this thing right here, when you close it, it's a reassuring close. Even though this thing is so old, right now you see there's dirt and debris all around, it still closes really well. And did you know this? There's actually hinges right here. So there's hinges, look at that, automatic opening. And this is after like 7 years of use, it still opens like that. So really nice to find these hinges right here with these extra large 130-gallon lifetime shed. You can see right there, it is the lifetime shed. It's designed well, and like I said, we've had these for so long. I can't believe how well they held up. But at the same time, I know that these things are made of really high quality material. These things serve their purpose because it didn't block out the window, and it just makes this area a little bit less cluttered, right? So if you imagine big sheds right here, big sheds right here, it's gonna be hard to get in and out, whereas these deck boxes, they serve a good purpose. And like I said, they're very sturdy. You can even stand on them like this right here, and it's good. So there we go, the lifetime shed boxes, the lifetime 130-gallon deck boxes right here. Oh yeah.